Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this IT management platform, which is NinjaOne. So to get started, NinjaOne has firmly established itself as one of the most effective and user-friendly IT management platform available. It offers a clean interface, seamless remote monitoring and management for RAM, and powerful automation features and robust patch management. What sets NinjaOne apart is its simplicity, and it also makes it an excellent choice for lean IT teams or MSPs who need reliable tools without a steeper learning curve. Its fast deployment, intuitive dashboard, and responsive customer support make it a favorite among small to mid-sized organizations. That said, while NinjaOne shines in usability and the core functions, it still lacks some of the broader integration and advanced security models found in more enterprise-focused platforms. So, reporting tools, while improving, may also feel limited for data-heavy operation. And here's the very conclusion. So, if you want a lightweight, fast, and dependable IT management solution in 2025, NinjaOne remains one of the best pick, especially for teams that value speed and simplicity over heavy complexity. And that's it. I'll find your review a little bit more helpful if you did. Hit the notification button and subscribe for more reviews. Thanks.